Hey all, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm in the NOPA area of San Francisco. Right across the street, we're going to be entering 406 Broderick. This is a one-bedroom furnished apartment with laundry and a backyard, and it's in the best part of the city. So right over here is the Bank of America building, the grocery store in that little mall, as well as Pete's Coffee and other, yummies. Right down the street is, really the heart of NOPA, the business district. Lots of Indian food restaurants, lots of Thai restaurants, Mexican restaurants, all kinds of eateries, coffee shops. Just a wonderful place to stroll. And then you're only a block away from Golden Gate Park here as well. So lots of things going on. But without further ado, let's cross the street and get you into the property. All right. All right, we have arrived. Unit 406. This is a first level apartment. And as we enter into the property, what we have here is the bedroom is right here in the main level here. And then we turn to the right, a little foyer area. And here we have the living room. Now again, as I mentioned, this is fully furnished. So as everything's delivered as is. Turning around, you can see a nice big closet here. These are wooden floors, tall ceilings, picture railings if you want to add, some art, because this is a 1-year lease. Big closet here as well. Okay, and this is a nice queen size bed. Looks super cozy. All right, turning here, we have a bathroom, lots of cabinet space, nice soak tub, and shower. What is that shower? Shower combination. And lots of storage and hanging opportunities there. Turning around, we enter into the kitchen area. Little dining room table. Again, tall ceilings, just tile floors. Really a good feeling inside the apartment. Nice stainless refrigerator, gas range, as well as appliances. And if you look here, if you are in need, there's cups and plates and such. There is a portable dishwasher that if you want to take advantage of that, you can ask the agent about. So let us know about that. Real big, nice, big sink, deep sink as well. If you like backyards or if you have a pet, this is a very pet-friendly property. You can see there's a little outdoor area here that you can enjoy. And going down these stairs, that is how you get to the laundry machine. So washer and dryer downstairs, so for your convenience. Turning around, again, you can get a different view of the dining room area here. So it's a big, really big space, very enjoyable. And most important, you're in one of the most fantastic areas of the city, NOPA, and close to so many things that, I forgot if you're familiar with the Five Sisters, the iconic historic or the tourist area, that's right up the street too, and a wonderful park there as well. So let us know if you're interested. See the links below. Turn around. Yeah, see the links below. If you're interested in this property, we'd love to talk to you and show you this property and get you into it. All right, take care. Bye-bye.